vehicles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
Attention users, you are about to be digitized into the world of TRON. For your safety in this world, all users should be in good health. You should be free from high blood pressure, heart, back, or neck problems. Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of TRON.
Team Blue.
To open a locker portal, tap your digital key to the illuminated activation code.
Please be considerate of other users and only use locker space that your party requires.
Remember your unit number. For the thrilling, high-speed roller coaster type ride in the gyro, making sharp turns with sudden drops and stops.
For your safety, remain seated on your light cycle at all times. Remember to kneel, lean, and pull the handlebars towards you. Supervise young Team Blue users at all times.
Kneel, lean, and pull the handlebars towards you.
Seated on your light cycle at all times. Remember to kneel, lean, and pull the handlebars towards you. Supervise young Team Blue users at all times.
The competition begins. To win, every member of Team Blue must pass through 8 entry gates before their opponents.
It doesn't work with that because it's connected to your phone. Do you have a physical phone or no? I wish I wasn't 6'5". This is not exactly built for me.
Prepare for Team Blue Lightcycle Run upload sequence. Remember, hold on, keep your head up, and face forward. Initiate in 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, users. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue.
I picked the night ride just so... Yeah. This looks so cool. I love the structure with all the lights. Man, that's just what Disney does so well.